All right, this is Murray APS, Sadiq Murray coming at you. And this video actually is strictly about how, if you have an alternative power system that's off-grid, how to prepare for a storm. Now, even though I installed turbines on this particular system to integrate, they do serve as like a backup, but you don't always need turbines. It overworks some of the internal systems holding back the power. But what happens, first thing you want to check is your solar panels for dust. And so you all see these solar panels are caked with dust. You see that? But because Murray APS does an outstanding job, these suckers are putting out 17 amps. But what happens on a day where it is going to be stormy, you definitely want to check those solar panels and spray them off because it's stopping half of your power. So what you mainly want to do to prepare for a storm first and foremost is whatever your loads are, cut them down. So these particular fans, they just need, if you do need them, which most of the time before a storm is windy, pigs don't really need the fans. If you just have to have them, turn them on low. And this must be done before the storm. So those are turned down to low. The ones in the quarantine room are on low, and they are very, very comfortable. But they are continually running. These are running all day. So it's very important to turn things down. Make sure that the exhaust fans are off, not running. So let me turn them off, okay? Because all that decreases the load. Definitely do not need exhaust fans running before a storm, and definitely during the storm. And mostly the fans should just be turned off. And otherwise than that, the timer should be set small threshold. So where I have it now is tomorrow it's gonna come on at 12 noon, and actually today it's gonna go off at 6 p.m. So that's a small range of time because it's gonna be stormy. It's gonna be 74 degrees, 75 tomorrow. So I have it set so 12 o'clock it comes on. Most likely they don't even need fans in here at 74, but they're gonna come on, start running, turn off at 6. So that's what happens. And if it's not stormy, it's bright and sunny, this can be expanded out to 8 o'clock p.m. to go off, or 7, whichever, or expanded in to 10, or even sometimes 9 when it's gonna be real hot. But right now you're preserving your power for during the storm, because if you wait till after the storm and you run full power during the storm, you know after the storm you haven't really been smart. So that's the way to do this, and this is with everything running in this building is 50.5 amps. So now just think, if those solar panels were clean, then you would be accumulating a lot more power, a lot faster. So I'm gonna send a message, but this is it, and hopefully this helps. Over, Sadiq.